Okay, so now everything is fine now. Use the chat box. Give the answer. Yes. Okay. So now, so next one is what? Which one we will select? Which one we will select, guys? Which one we will select? Now, come inside that what? Come inside that what? Employee dot service TS, right? Come inside that what? Employee dot service TS. Where the employee dot service TS now? Employee dot service TS. Open this one. Okay. Inside that we have need to write what? One more method again, right? One more method again. What method? Just I'm writing what is that? Update. What is that? Employee. EMPLOY. Employee, right? Update employee, right? Update employee. Inside that what I will do now? Just I will pass the employee object. EMPLOY. Employee colon employee. Okay. So after then what is that? What we will do now? We will write the logic to connect our what? Our application with what? Our RESTful application. So for that, what is that? This dot what is that? HTTP. This dot HTTP dot put. This dot HTTP put, right? Inside that, what we will do now? What we will do now? Dollar symbol, open bracket, close bracket, right? This dot this dot what, this dot base path, right? Base path, okay? Base path. After then what we can do now? What we will do now? Come inside that rest, right? Come inside that, what is the update, right? Delete, completed. Now put update, right? Put we are calling the put, right? Update we are taking the what path, right? Update, oh yeah, update, right? Update. So take the update only, right? After taking the update, what we can do now? We will take the employee object reference. All right. Sorry, 1 minute. Yeah, employee, right? After then it will return what? After then it will return what? Some data, right? Success message, failure message. So for that it will return what? JSON data. But I don't want JSON data. I want what? String data, right? In our what? Angular application. So response type, okay? Response type. We will take what? Response type. Inside this response type, what we will do now? We will take what is that? Text, right? We will take the text. After taking the text, what we will do now? So here, but we will store in the some memory. That memory is what? Observable. That memory is nothing but what, guys? Observable memory, right? Inside that any type, we will take the any data type. Okay, here any, but it's asking to return this object, right? So what is that? We will take the return keyword here. Okay, after taking the return keyword, now service class logics be completed, right? Service class logics be completed. So now come to employee edit component TS, right? Come to employee edit component TS. Open this one. After opening this one, right? Employee, yeah, inside this one. Okay, inside this one, what we will do now, guys? Employee edit component, we will write the method. One method we will write it. Okay, where we will write it? So this is, okay, yeah, here, okay, here we will write what? Update employee. Update, what is that? Employee, right? Update employee. Inside that, what we will do now? Update employee, we will call the service method, right? Service dot, what is that? Service dot update method we will call here only, right? After calling this update method, what we will do now? This dot employee, right? We are taking the employee object reference here. Okay, so we will pass this employee object here. Okay, after then if we want to read the data from what? Observable memory, which method we will, which object we will call? Subscriber, right? Subscribe. Inside the subscribe, we will write the logic. Okay, inside the subscribe we will write the logic. Okay, so now what is that? Data lambda expression data. Now inside the data, what we will do now? Next one, guys, console dot write, like console dot what? Console dot log. Inside that, just data I'm writing the data only, right? After the next one is what? This dot this dot router we will call, okay, router dot navigator, navigator, and inside that navigator, what we will do now, we will pass the all, right? We will pass the all data, right? All, okay, plus all. Something error is there. What is the error? Why error I'm getting here? Router dot navigator, right? Yes, I know that. We have need to take this one in this bracket. Now it's fine. Now it's fine, guys. Okay. So now come to our browser, right? Come to our browser. This data is there, right? We are getting this data. So Raj is there, right? In the Raj, right? I'm taking one another person name, right? I want come to in the database also, right? I'm refreshing it. I'm refreshing, right? Raj is there. I want to change a different name, right? I want to change this name as a different name. Okay, so I want to edit, right? I want to edit in the meeting only. I will take someone name, right? Someone name. What is that? Amrani, right? Yeah, Manjulata. Chalo, take the Manjulata name, okay? Manjulata name. I'm taking the Manjulata name, okay? So what we will do now, come to browser, right? Manjulata. Take the name of what? Manjulata. Manjulata, right? Manjulata. Now update, click on the update button. Oh, it's my problem. Come inside that, right? Come inside that. What is that form, right? Employee editable form. Come on the top, right? Come here, okay? So here, what we will do now, guys? Here, ng ng submit, ng submit, right? Ng submit equal to what is that? We will call the method, right? Which method we will call it now? This one, update method, right? We will call this method. Copy this one. Please mute yourself. Someone is unmuted. Okay, so that's it. That's it. And come to browser, right? Come to this data, right? I want to update this data, right? I want to update this data, but I want some messages also, right? If you want, okay, no problem. Update, redirect. It will redirect to what? Now click on that. Now, oh, sorry. Raj only now. Edit it. Here I'm taking what? Manjulata. Manjulata, right? Now click on that. See the update record is updated before Raj is there now. Manjulata is there or not? Come on, guys, come on. Yeah, come on. Again, you want to okay? Padma is there, right? Padma. I want to record Padma, right? I want to make this one as what? Ravi. Ravi. Okay, I'm taking this one as what? Ravi. Sorry. Ravi, right? And another one is what? Ravi is not female, male, right? Now click on that and update it. See that the record is updated. Previously employee gender is female. Now it will become male or not? Ravi, male. Okay, so now record is updated or not, guys? Now see 2 o'clock onward continuously, and even see if you click the register button, register form will come. Okay, if you want to click on that view button, view will come. If you want to delete the record, delete will come. If you want to edit it, this form will come. See that how our application is working. This is the real or not? This is the real or not, guys? Come on. And if, even every screen also I designed too much fine. So whatever things I promised to you people, I completed or not, guys? Anywhere I am compromising, now let me know that. If you want, you can unmute yourself. Okay, if you want, you can unmute yourself and you can talk, guys. Okay, you can talk it. Okay.